Wow, that was shocking. That was really shocking. Kotoko suffered 3-0 defeat against Berekum Chelsea. I think that's Kotoko's biggest defeat this season, if I'm not mistaken. That was shocking. Really shocking. When the game started, I saw the lineup. I was like, okay, maybe they can show some power. They can stop setting back. They can actually attack to make the home team, fall back. But Kotoko went into this game with the defeatist mentality. They started backing up when they get ball attacked. I know that the result is appalling. We should take a look at the selections and the tactics and the mentality of the players. It's shocking. Berekum Chelsea are winless in their last 4 games. I'm telling you, their last 2 home games, they played 1-1 draw, 1-1 draw. Their last game against Great Olympics, they lost 2-1. In their last 4 games, they haven't registered a win, but they beat Kotoko today 3-0. It's shocking. It's shocking. I think the players don't deserve rest after this game. They don't deserve any rest. They should give them power drill. They should give them punishment drills once they land in Kumasi. No rest for them. In fact, the ball shouldn't land at the hotel. The ball should land at the training ground tomorrow morning. The moment they sleep this night and the next morning they move to Kumasi, the ball should land at the training session and they should give them drills. 2 hours drills so that they will feel it in their body, because the way they played, every fan will be very disappointed with the way Kotoko played today. It was shocking. Started the game, they had a very good opportunity to take the lead through George Mfwege. I don't know why he didn't go for the flying header. He's an attacker, he should be going for the flying header. The goalkeeper has already given up. In fact, he was left flat-footed. Mfwege should have scored a goal there, but he couldn't. Kotoko went ahead again, started defending. They get the ball. The midfield, it was totally empty. There was nobody in the midfield. Sharif Mohammed, the midfielder Sharif Mohammed, he shouldn't be playing for a team like Kotoko. He has lost his form. In fact, all the players from last season, none of them has improved this. None of them have improved this season. Their morale, their strength, everything went down. As you go upon, nonsense. Mfwege, nonsense. Mentality Kotoko take into away games is a shocking mentality. How would you go and respect a team? You are telling me that even if Kotoko are coming to play a secondary school team, just because the team is at home, they will use a pragmatic approach into the game? It can't happen. Kotoko is not a small team. So now, okay, you want Kotoko to win the league, you want Kotoko to reach the top 2, you want Kotoko to do this. Is this what they play in Africa? If Kotoko play this kind of performance in Africa, Kotoko will concede 60 goals. I'm telling you, Kotoko will play two legs, home and away. They will concede 30-30. That's 60 goals in aggregate. I'm telling you, I'm not joking. If Kotoko use this particular style of play to play away game, a team like Two Desire will score them like 7 goals in the first 5 minutes. Shocking performance. You can't man-mark players anymore. You allow crosses into the box. Okay, the ball gets into the box. Now defend the players that will come to contest. You can't. Mohammed Sharif, Mohammed Hassan, as if they are 2 different players. In fact, it's as if this is the first time they were playing together. It was shocking. Danlad Ibrahim too. I don't know. I don't want to talk about him because I don't know what has gotten into him. I don't know what has happened to Danlad Ibrahim. The first one, I say, okay, it's possible that he could not have saved that. Second one, at least raise up your hand. The ball hits your hand, it goes off. As you've seen several goalkeepers raise their hand and the ball touches their tip and go over. He just raised his hand. In fact, he had so much time to react, but he couldn't. He couldn't react to that. Then the third goal was a disaster. That was shocking. Starting from the attack to the midfield to the defense. This is the worst performance Kotoko has put out this season. It was a shocking. Abdul Ghazel should just do what he can. I don't think Kotoko will employ a new coach right now because the season is over. They should just take it as the season is over. Abdul Ghazel should just do whatever he can and go back to the youth team or join the backroom staff. I don't know what he wants to do, but this season is over. Kotoko should just manage the results they get, maybe make advantage of the home games. So I don't want to talk too much. I'm going to do another video where I'll talk about the ratings. I'll be uploading both of them tonight. So subscribe if you haven't, and click notification bell. I'd like to know your thoughts on what happened today. It was a shocking performance. I'm done ranting. Subscribe if you haven't, and click notification bell.